Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel for another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, decent, elegant and stylish design ideas for embroidery that could be specifically used for neckline embroidery, for kurti embroidery, for blouse embroidery and different type of style pattern ranging from bot neck embroidery to v-neck, u-neck, square shaped embroidery to moving towards the deep v-neck embroidery patterns. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and watch my videos. And guys, we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making our videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share some creativity and beautiful ideas. The beauty and creativity of these ideas and designs is that they are favorable for all type of age group person, that is the teenagers, that is older age person. Even you can also design the baby girl dresses along with the very beautiful, decent and elegant patterns of embroidery. The scope is not only limited to this, it is wide in its concept. That is different type of stylized traditional patterns along with the usage of mirror work, beads, pearls and sequences is also being shown. How you can design them for the dresses of your baby girls in the form of their frocks is also being shown to you. So if you really like that video, then don't forget to like and leave comments in the comment section so that we can get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new and recent upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel.